Hey guys, it's here. I'm excited for this new product that I got. Now, I've been wanting this for months and months and months, but it was being worked on under redesign or whatever it was. So let me show you guys what it is. It's the OKF meat grinder. This is a beast, guys. This is a beast. Look at this. 7 pounds a minute, 15-minute work time. That's a lot of meat. 7 pounds a minute, that's insane. So what you get with the kit is your sausage attachments, your sausage piece, extra blade, mince, whole size. You get a tool, you get a pusher, and we have the first one in already, and we got some meat to grind. But the first thing I'm gonna do, the first test is put some semi-frozen meat through it, because that is sometimes if you're doing poultry, for example, if you want to grind up poultry, you want it to be a semi-frozen for it to actually grind up correctly, because something like a little more fibrous, they don't tend to grind up well. So I'm excited. There's not much features into this. It's you turn it on, you put the attachments on, and that's it. But other thing is dishwasher safe, stainless steel. This is not aluminum. It's extremely heavy. So all the pieces and parts that you see right here, these are all dishwasher safe. And you get your manual right there, plugged in, turn it on. Not that loud, which is great. So let's stop talking and start grinding. All right, guys, so we have this semi-frozen meat here. It's a lot of fat on this one. I kind of want the tallow because I'm gonna mix it with the pork and the brisket right here. So we're gonna have almost like a 60-40 type of mix. So let's get started. Oh, I have this the wrong way. Look at that. Oh, this is insane. Almost no effort. All right, we're gonna throw some pork through it. Look at that. I don't even have to push it. Look. This is soft meat. So, and you see, this is a big chunk. I'm gonna run it again and make it a little bit finer grind. I'm gonna throw some brisket through it. If the chunks are small enough, I will take it. If they're a little bit larger, you're gonna have to give it a little assist. All right, I'm gonna do something different now. So we have the big chunk part right here. Now, I'm gonna switch out this. And we're gonna put the smaller one. I want to see how this machine would react to that. So put some beef through it. Oh wow, without any problem. Now we're gonna put the grinder of meat already. Oh yeah, without any problem. All right, guys, so look at this. This is such a great ground beef right here and pork mixture. Definitely there's a lot of fat in this one. This will be great for burgers and kebabs. If you like making kebabs, this is perfect for it. The machine did great. No lagging, did not struggle at all. Strong motor, fast. It's I can't believe how good this thing works. This is definitely an overkill for a home use, but for the price, it's definitely worth it because you are spending some money on a meat grinder. And if you like to cook, this is a perfect machine to get your cooking in order, do it fast, efficient, and the quality you're gonna get. I've had several different meat grinders. None of them actually performed as good as this one did because they're underpowered. I also had the KitchenAid one. Definitely not what this thing can do. That one's 100% underpowered. It does not deliver at all. It's not for heavy duty jobs. Or if you're grinding a lot of meat, definitely don't recommend the KitchenAid one. Kitchen one is extremely light duty. Just taking excessive fat from here because I'm not going to use that. That's just way too much fat. We don't need all that. But cleanup is also easy, just like any other ones. It's simple to clean. All right, guys. So I don't know how long that took, but it wasn't long, to be honest with you. It was pretty short. I want to say maybe like a minute or two. And this was about, I want to say about 15 pounds worth of meat. I did. And in the middle, I switched out the mincer just to see if it performed, and it performed great. This was. I mean, it's just a meat grinder. I mean, I don't know how much else I could go into details. There's not much details to meat grinders. They're supposed to just grind meat. I'm not gonna use the attachments, but they go in as like this. You do have to put the blade, the screwdriver, this, and of course it's gonna push the meat out and it's gonna come out from here. I don't have any casings. I'm not planning to make any sausages right now, but next time I make sausage, I'll definitely use the attachment. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. But overall, OKF meat grinder is great. Again, I've been waiting for this for a while. This is a number 8 meat grinder. And this is basically a crossover between commercial and residential, to be honest with you. It handles a good amount of meat in a short amount of time. So yeah, so let me know what you think, guys. Leave your comments down below. Hit the like button and hit that subscribe button, guys. Let me know what you think. If you have one of these, I will put the link in the description for you guys. And yeah, so peace out.